What's up, my traders? Let's see how we are gonna trade next week. That is starting in just a few hours. We start with eurusd. Eurusd finally break below the big support area 10650 last Friday specifically, and let's see. Currently we see that we are trading in 1, 2, 3 waves down, and just above a strong support 10480. And if you remember, this was the target 104, 105 was the target since we had this failure at 110, if you remember. Anyway, let's see. Also we have this formation of seems like falling wedge that currently broke to the downside, but this remains to be seen. So I would suggest that buying this dip can be profitable tomorrow or Tuesday. I mean, if we see this sell-off continuing, then market will be prone for a reaction at least to test 10650, this area here. Anyway, let's see how market will open tomorrow, but keep in mind that despite this break lower, sentiment is not so bearish, at least as long as we are trading above 10480 for the euro. This also can be seen for even for cable. We see here that cable is trading just above the 119 support, actually 118.50 and 119. This zone here is big support for the cable, and I believe we can have one retrace higher. But the bigger picture here, don't forget, is for a big move lower in the pound. I believe we're gonna trade below 110 when this break happens finally. I mean the break of 118.30-40, this area here, this low here. But until then, we can give it benefit of the doubt. Let's see the Aussie. The Aussie had a huge move lower last Friday. Probably news from China had something to do with this. Anyway, the case here remains that we can see continuation of this big move, because momentum is still to the downside. Next support area is this 66.87 and below. And then we can see one relief rally here, depending the moves in stocks. Talking about stocks, let's see S&P. S&P shows some sign of strength below 4,000. And I mean, it's the last frontier, is the last big support 39.45 that was tested last Friday. And we saw some short covering and some buying interesting there, but still remains to be seen if we also see that moving average, okay, it's ready to have a crossover, but still pointing it is bullish formation. So okay, we can see one relief rally towards a retest at least of 4,000. And remains to be seen if we can close above 4,030 in order to have a bigger move higher. So for now we keep the resistance of this 200 periods moving average currently at 4,030, and because we are just trading above the support, you can try some buying the dips. Okay. Gold, I made another video regarding gold, but okay, I'm gonna say it here quickly again. Gold, it's moving, sliding lower, but I believe 1800 is a big support level, and if we test again tomorrow, it might give us some buying opportunities. Let's see, yields 10-year Treasury had a move lower to new lows as we saw, and okay, we saw some short covering. Remains to be seen if lows will hold tomorrow. If will hold, we can see one relief rally towards 111.50, this area here. What else? Okay, DXY, I told you that we are trading in this like upwarding wedge, and okay, it seems that we broke to the upside, but this remains to be seen tomorrow. And as long as we're trading above 104.50, this area here, okay, still the momentum is to the upside, but I believe because okay, if we see the daily chart, dollar is not yet out of the woods. We see this here, it is trading just a few pips below big area. 105.80 is big area for the dollar, and I believe at least we're gonna see an attempt to correct lower, just to relieve, to take some longs out, weak longs out of the game, and then continue lower. But as long as we are trading above, okay, let's do it 106 to give it some room. Still, we must take this move as corrective to the dollar. Okay, crypto, nothing new there. It is trading sideways in the middle of the range, 21,025. Probably waiting for markets to open tomorrow. That's all for now, just a short video update. We can update tomorrow or Tuesday if we see something in the markets, of course, in the Twitter feed. Thank you all for watching. See you on our next video.